Well, this has been a surprising hit. This is from a company called Wise Block. It's called Maple Whisper. This is block building for adults. Now, my 17-year-old high school senior is putting this together, and he loves this kind of stuff. So I'm going to show you the build process real quick, and then I'll show it kind of like displayed in our house towards the end in my office. Overall, it's fun, therapeutic, and I think the highlight of the whole thing is all the pieces actually fit. Like we've had some non-main brand building blocks before, and like they just don't fit. This feels and fits perfectly. I mean, like that's a really high quality. Everything matches up really nice. The other thing is the highlight is it's affordable. Like this with the other brand that we all know and love would be 4 times more expensive, and this is really affordable and comes together nicely and is beautiful. So, if you're enjoying putting blocks together, this is pretty cool. It was a challenge. The instruction manual is beautiful. I mean, full color, just like you'd expect. Everything was there that was supposed to be there. Just really, really good. So anyway, I'm almost done, or he's almost done putting these together. Now it's time to get all the leaves on. That was incredible. So much detail. There's 900 pieces in this set. There's 900 pieces. So this is not like a little elementary kit. Like right here, we're putting together limbs and adding leaves. There's even fallen leaves. You'll see fallen leaves and little fallen little discs in the bottom. It's just so much detail. It's just really fun. I put this in my office and it sat there for about 2 days. Well, here's my office. And I had so many people say, "What is that? I like that. That's cool. What is it? Tell me about it." And it was just a conversation piece. You see all the leaves in there, the little deer, little house, little tea, umbrella. It's just, I mean, so many compliments. So there is my office, and then I also put it at our house. And we haven't had any visitors since we've had it in our house, but like it just looks nice. It's just really impressive. So anyway, there you go. There's the build. There's the final look. A lot of detail, perfectly fits, and really, really, really affordable. I actually reached out to this company and asked if they would send it to me. They said they would, but this is my honest review. Really impressed with it. And again, it's the affordability. So if you're looking for a Christmas, birthday present, that sort of thing, this checks all the boxes. Really pretty. There's lots of other varieties as well. Really, 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 really good. Very impressed.